What if Google Sheets could replace half the tools you're paying for right now? CRMs, dashboards, automations, even sellable products, all built inside one spreadsheet. That's exactly what Better Sheets helps you do. If you live in Google Sheets, or even just survive in it, this might be one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Better Sheets isn't just another course. It's a complete Google Sheets toolbox designed to turn spreadsheets into real systems, real automations, and real products you can sell. Instead of watching random tutorials and forgetting everything tomorrow, Better Sheets gives you ready-to-copy sheets, step-by-step walkthroughs, and tools you can use immediately. Every lesson comes with a downloadable spreadsheet. You copy it, tweak it, and put it to work the same day. What can you actually build? With Better Sheets, you can automate reports, emails, and workflows, build dashboards, CRMs, and internal tools, connect APIs, Gmail, Calendar, and AI, design spreadsheets that look like apps, and even sell Google Sheets as products. This is about building systems, not just formulas. Powerful tools included. As a lifetime member, you unlock tools most people don't even realize are possible in Sheets. Only Sheets lets you paywall Google Sheets and give paid customers access automatically. The AI formula generator literally writes formulas for you when you're stuck. SheetOps helps you run operations and assign tasks. Atomic Sheets upgrades your spreadsheet design instantly, and new tools keep dropping over time. This isn't static content, it grows with you. Learn at your own pace. You get beginner-friendly automation courses, advanced AI workflows inside Sheets, hundreds of real-world tutorials, copy-ready templates for instant wins. From validating thousands of emails to building Kanban boards, countdown timers, or even ChatGPT-style tools, it's all here. Who is this perfect for? Better Sheets is ideal if you're a solopreneur or small business owner, automating tasks for yourself or clients, selling templates, dashboards, or tools, or tired of paying for multiple SaaS tools when Sheets can do the job. This is how you turn knowledge into assets. Lifetime deal breakdown. Right now, Better Sheets is available as a one-time payment lifetime deal. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. Lifetime access to everything, including future tools. If you're serious about automation, efficiency, or selling digital tools, this deal is worth a serious look. Check the link in the video description or the pinned comment to grab the deal. Final thoughts. Better Sheets helps you stop working inside spreadsheets and start making spreadsheets work for you. If Google Sheets is already part of your daily workflow, this could easily become one of the most valuable tools you own.